I'm Boasman Patel, Vice President of Innovation at TM Forum, and I'm delighted to be joined by Matt Anderson from Google. Matt, hello, good morning.
Morning.
Great to have you with us, and we did a great achievement yesterday with Google running on ODA Canvas.
We did. It's up and running. You can go get it on GitHub. It's going to be great.
So tell us a bit more about the ODA Canvas and why it's important to Google and the industry.
Yeah, I think ODA Canvas, right? Most operators are multi-cloud now, and they need a simplistic way to operate within a multi-cloud environment. ODA Canvas gives them the standards to do that. Important for us as a public cloud provider as we try to work with our CSP partners to provide that open source capability platform that they can go deploy on, get the certifications, all of the vendors that are already on, third-party vendors that are already validated on the platform. It just becomes that open ecosystem that I think benefits the entire industry.
Absolutely, and Google is one of the founding members of the Innovation Hub where the ODA Canvas has been created. Tell us a bit more about what's coming next with the Canvas, because a lot of the conversation I'm hearing with our members like Vodafone, Orange, Deutsche Telecom, Geo, we're really talking about taking the Canvas to the next level and actually start to make it AI ready and putting those agentic components.
Yeah, I think that's exactly it, right? Everything is AI right now. How do we take the power of traditional AI, machine learning, ML ops, AI ops, combine that with generative AI, and really go to that kind of agentic workflow era that we want to execute towards? How do we ensure that the Canvas supports that and enables that? And I think that's the next step for us, to be kind of that platform to drive that enablement on the AI front.
I think that's absolutely critical. We're really seeing big adoption of ODA in the ODA Canvas now. And the other bit we're working on is taking AIVA. So AIVA is our large language model. We started to do that last year, demonstrated those capabilities at DTW. And now we're actually making AIVA one of those components, one of those agents as part of the Canvas. Can we talk a bit more about that?
Yeah, AIVA's awesome, right? It's like that kind of employee productivity capability. You go in there, you can look at all of the great standards the TM Forum has, get information off of that in a very easy to use manner. Also generate code around APIs, right? There's code generation capabilities. Starts to be a really powerful enabler for those operators that want to look at the standards and then employ them in their environments.
Absolutely, and it's not just ODA that we're looking at from the IT side. We're now really starting about autonomous networks and driving automation into CSPs networks. Tell us a little bit more about what Google's doing with that.
Yeah, for us, it's a platform play, right? How do we bring the AI tools in an easy-to-use manner? How do we enable the creation of agents in a very programmatic way, non-code way, where business users, network engineers can go create agents to do things? Combine that with ML ops capabilities that most operators already have, and I think that combination gives you that agentic workflow. And I think that's where autonomous networks is going to go, and that's how we're going to get there from an enablement perspective.
I can't wait to see it. And just a reminder now, the Google Canvas is now available to download on GitHub from TM Forum. So looking forward to seeing all operators running with Google.
Yeah, it's going to be exciting.
Thank you very much.
All right, thanks so much.